I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to have Siri automatically read text out loud on Apple CarPlay. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Apple Intelligence and Siri or Siri and Search, depending on which version of iOS you are running. Step 3. Tap Announce Notifications under the Siri section. Step 4. Ensure that the main Announce Notifications toggle switch at the top of the screen is turned on. Step 5. Scroll down to the Announce When Connected To section and tap CarPlay. Step 6. Tap Announce New Messages. A checkmark will appear next to it, meaning Siri will now automatically read all incoming text aloud the moment your phone connects to your car dashboard. If you are already on the road and want to quickly turn this feature on or off without digging through your phone menus, you can actually do it directly from your vehicle's dashboard. The next time a text message notification banner pops up on your CarPlay screen, you will see a small button labeled Announce. Tapping that button directly on your car's touchscreen will instantly toggle the automatic reading feature on for the rest of your drive. Additionally, if you want to respond to those text messages just as quickly without Siri reading your own reply back to you first, you can adjust your text sending options. Navigate back to the Siri settings page on your iPhone, tap Messaging with Siri, and turn on the toggle for automatically send messages. This lets Siri send your dictated replies immediately, making the entire texting process completely seamless while you drive. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.